The next station is Burj Khalifa.
Where are you from?
Well, right now I'm coming from South Africa.
Okay.
But tomorrow I'll be going to India.
Where?
Delhi.
Where in Delhi?
Gurgaon.
Gurgaon. Which sector?
56.
Okay.
Are you from Gurgaon?
I'm also from Delhi.
हाँ, फिर हिंदी में बात करो ना आप.
चलो कोई नहीं, अभी थोड़ा पहले स्टार्टिंग इंग्लिश करनी पड़ती है ना पहले.
How are you doing? Good. Airport. It's not just the passport these days. You have to show so many documents. And you have to check everything, because if something is wrong, you are trouble. Why are you boarding so early? You said 5:35. There you go. Well, Cape Town to Dubai, 9 hours, and Dubai to New Delhi, 3 hours. But in between, 24 hours halt in Dubai. Let's quickly board and reach Dubai, and then I'll talk to you. Hi, how are you?
Hi, welcome on board, sir.
Thank you. So I have like 26 hours layover in Dubai, and it was pretty tricky to get out of the airport because they are not giving those short-term visas these days because of the COVID risk. But spending 26 hours inside the airport was initially my plan to make a video, but after landing in the morning I felt like nah, nahi ho payega bhai, ek घुटन सी हो रही थी. So I spoke to these guys. Initially they were not allowing, then you know, jugaad and also genuine effort to keep myself safe, and I have COVID test report and all the necessary documents. So they made some modifications to accommodate me. My shuttle is here to pick me for the hotel. Social distancing protocol in the hotel shuttle. Dubai is actually leading with example. It's open for tourism, it's open for business, because they have all the measures in place. फिर हिंदी में बात करो ना आप.
चलो कोई नहीं, अभी थोड़ा पहले स्टार्टिंग इंग्लिश करनी पड़ती है ना पहले.
Reached my hotel. Time to get some sleep and then maybe take a walk around. Can't sleep or get any rest in the room. So I'm like, chalo yaar, weather is good, let's get out and do what people actually come to Dubai for. Just roam around. Look at the fancy buildings. Explore the big shopping malls. Dubai Mall. It's officially the biggest mall in the world. And that's Burj Khalifa, दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची या लंबी जो भी कहना चाहो बिल्डिंग. If you are ever planning to come to Dubai for a holiday, 2 days, that's it, not more than that. You know, here is a thing, जो यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स है, दुबई है, इसकी काफ़ी इकॉनमी इस चीज़ के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. जो चीज़ मैं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, ट्रांजिट एंड ले ओवर आवर्स. उससे होता क्या है, लोगों की फ़्लाइट के कनेक्शंस ऐसे होते हैं कि उनको बाहर निकल के 15-20 घंटे स्पेंड करने पड़ते हैं इस शहर में. एंड इन दैट होल प्रोसेस दे एक्चुअली स्पेंड सम मनी एंड दैट कंट्रीब्यूट्स अ लॉट टू द इकॉनमी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सिटी एंड दिस कंट्री. So it's good or bad, it all depends upon you, what type of an experience you are looking for during your holidays and travel. मेरे लिए the point and the problem is, after spending last 5 to 6 years in Africa, I just don't enjoy and like being in a big city where there are a lot of buildings. Kind of feels like a concrete jungle to me. Same goes with many other big cities and not just this city. But there are a lot of good things about this city. So yeah, okay, so now enough of the gyan. Need to go back to the hotel, pack my bag and then rush to the airport. Flight का टाइम होने वाला है. चलो घर, चलो घर. दिल्ली coming soon.